I'm gonna be able to go nowhere. Hey guys, this is outside right now. I'm barely getting my door open, and it's still coming down. Look at that. Can't get my door open.